Hello everyone! Samahan nyo kami ngayon dito sa Air Hotel. Once you enter the room, honestly, it is pretty straightforward. Maliit lang yung room and you can see everything. Pero the first thing you'll notice is the queen size bed. And syempre, meron din naman tayong TV for your entertainment needs. Meron din naman tayong kasamang electric kettle and hangers, enough naman na for your overnight stay. As for the bathroom naman, I really do commend the hotel kasi super linis ng bathroom nila and may pa-extra towels din sila. As for the shower, even though maliit, okay na rin naman na. And meron din namang toilet and of course, the small but okay sink na rin. As for the view, unfortunately, wala kayong makikita dito and super liit lang ng window. Hindi rin siya nakatapat sa city, so ayun, keep that in mind. Actually, this is just a budget-friendly hotel, not bad na rin, and also you're getting what you're paying for.